Cardinal flower, Lobelia cardinalis, is a native North American wildflower known for its striking red blooms. This perennial plant is a favorite among gardeners and attracts pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for cardinal flowers. 1. Choose the right location. Cardinal flowers thrive in partially shaded to full sun locations. They are often found growing naturally along the edges of streams, ponds, or in wet meadows. Mimicking these conditions in your garden is ideal. Ensure the soil is consistently moist, but well draining. Cardinal flowers prefer soil that is rich in organic matter. 2. Planting. Cardinal flower can be planted in the spring or fall. If starting from seeds, sow them directly in your garden or in containers indoors 8-10 weeks before the last expected frost date. Plant young transplants or seeds about 12-24 inches apart to allow for adequate spacing. 3. Soil preparation. Cardinal flowers appreciate fertile, humus-rich soil. Amend a planting area with compost or well-rotted organic matter to improve soil quality. The soil should be consistently moist, but not waterlogged, as cardinal flowers prefer damp conditions. 4. Watering. Cardinal flowers have high moisture requirements. Keep the soil consistently moist throughout the growing season, especially during dry spells. Mulching around the plants can help retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. 5. Fertilizing. Cardinal flowers generally don't require much fertilizer. If your soil is lacking in nutrients, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as it can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of blooms. 6. Pruning and deadheading. Deadhead faded flowers to encourage more blooms and extend the flowering period. Prune back the plants after they have finished flowering to promote bushier growth. 7. Winter care. In colder climates, cardinal flowers may die back to the ground in the winter. Mulch the area to protect the roots from freezing temperatures. They will typically regrow in the spring. 8. Pests and diseases. Cardinal flowers are relatively pest and disease resistant. However, they can sometimes be affected by aphids or slugs. Control measures, if needed, include using insecticidal soap or slug bait. 9. Propagation. Cardinal flowers can be propagated by division. Divide established plants every few years in the spring or fall to maintain healthy growth. 10. Attracting wildlife. One of the great benefits of growing cardinal flowers is their ability to attract hummingbirds and butterflies. These pollinators are drawn to the vibrant red blooms. 11. Native plant considerations. Growing native plants like cardinal flower can benefit local ecosystems and wildlife. They are adapted to local conditions and can be more resilient in your garden. Cardinal flowers can be a stunning addition to a garden, particularly in a natural or wildflower garden setting. Their bright red blooms and ability to attract pollinators make them a popular choice for gardeners looking to support local wildlife while adding beauty to their landscape.